This weekend, kausap ko yung wife ko, naglalakad kami. Sabi ko sa kanya na parang yung feeling ko defeated ako. It's been months since na nawalan ako ng trabaho, hindi pa rin ako makahanap. I've started questioning myself and then asking why I haven't landed something yet. Yung wala pa akong nakakuha, wala pa akong definite job talaga. And then, wala. She told me something simple but powerful. And in Filipino, sabi niya, malalagpasan din yan. Matagal, pero malalagpasan. Which means, naman, in English, you'll get through this. It may take time, but you'll get through it. Maybe ito yung, kung mapapanood itong video ko, maybe ito yung words. Ito yung saying na kailangan nyo rin marinig from someone. Tulad ko, naghanap ng work. Kung naghanap ka ng work or kung ano pa yung difficulties, hardship na na-experience mo na. Kahit ano yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, yung uncertainty na yon, yes, it might take longer than what you want or what you expected. Lalo na sa atin, hindi mo naman malalaman yung sagot talaga kasi nasa future pa yun eh. Pero we'll get through it. We'll get through it. And sometimes the only thing we need is a reminder that etong season na to doesn't last forever. Hindi to magtatagal. Hindi to permanent. Hindi to permanent. Kaya ako, feeling ko stuck ako. Kung kayo, feeling nyo rin stuck kayo somewhere or questioning yourself like I was, tulad nung sabi ko sa wife ko, ito yung reminder para sa ating lahat. Yung progress, hindi siya palaging magpapakita dyan. Hindi siya palaging nandyan siya. Pero yung everyday na ginagawa mo, alam ko may mga days na mabigat. Tulad ngayon, ito, rinirecord ko itong video na to, yung feeling ko sobrang bigat. Pero everyday na nagmo-move ka, meron nangyayari, nag-edit ka ng CV, nagpapadala ka. Tulad ng sabi ko sa mga ibang video ko, yung mga small ways, kahit maglakad ka ng mga 1 hour lang, 30 minutes sa labas, nabibuild mo yun eh. You're building your way through it. And, yeah, gusto ko rin magsabi ng thank you sa wife ko. Kung sakaling mapanood niyo to, I mean, thank you. And yung iba kong friends na nakapanood na nitong channel ko, na hindi ko alam kung paano nila nahanap. Nagsusupport sila, pinapanood nila to, and to you, sa inyo, yung mga nanonood, kahit pa ilan-ilan lang. Because we're all just trying to get through this season. Etong mahirap na season na to. And alam niyo yun, we will. It may take time, but we will get through it. So, yes, doon naman na ngayon. Ito yung first video ko. Ito yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo kasi thankful ako sa wife ko. Nabigyan niya ako ng idea para din sa video na to and nabigyan niya ako ng strength to move forward. So, doon naman na ngayon, share to sa mom nyo, friends nyo, and colleagues nyo. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you again, friends.